How to grow potatoes in your garden. Welcome to our gardening guide. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of growing your own potatoes. Whether you have a big backyard or just a small space, you can grow these versatile veggies at home. Let's get started. Step 1. Choosing the right potatoes. The first step is choosing the right potatoes. There are countless varieties: russet, Yukon Gold, red potatoes, and fingerlings. Pick seed potatoes, which are small tubers meant for planting. Step 2. Preparing your soil. Potatoes love loose, well-drained soil that's slightly acidic. Loosen the soil about 12 inches deep and add compost or organic matter. Make sure the soil is free from stones to prevent misshapen potatoes. Step 3. Planting the potatoes. Once your soil is ready, cut your seed potatoes into pieces, making sure each has at least one eye, a small indent where sprouts form. Plant them about 4 inches deep and 12 inches apart. Cover them with soil, but don't pack it down too tightly. Step 4. Watering and mulching. Water your potatoes consistently, but avoid overwatering. Keep the soil moist, especially when the plants are flowering. This is when the tubers start to form. Add a layer of mulch to retain moisture and prevent weeds. Step 5. Hilling your plants. As your potato plants grow, mound soil around the base of the plants. This is called hilling. This encourages more tubers to form and protects them from sunlight, which can turn them green and toxic. Step 6. Harvesting your potatoes. When the leaves start to yellow and die back, it's time to harvest. Carefully dig around the plants to avoid damaging the potatoes. Let them cure in a dry, cool place for a few days to toughen their skin for storage. And there you have it, your own homegrown potatoes. Whether you bake, mash, or fry them, you'll enjoy the satisfaction of harvesting your own food. Happy gardening!